Today, we're diving into top trending open source GitHub projects this week, Part 2. We've scoured the depths of GitHub to bring you the most innovative and exciting projects that are making waves in the open source community. From AI-powered web browsing to automated online business solutions and cutting-edge reinforcement learning tools for large language models, we've got something for everyone.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, DiffSynth Studio. Enjoy the magic of diffusion models. DiffSynth Studio is a diffusion engine designed to make the power of diffusion models accessible and enjoyable. What sets it apart is its restructured architecture that includes text encoder, UNet, and VAE, which maintains compatibility with models from the open-source community while boosting computational performance. This project supports a wide array of models, such as WAN Video, Step Video, Huan Video, Stable Diffusion 3, and Stable Video Diffusion, among others, offering users a broad playground for experimentation. One of DiffSynth Studio's unique strengths is its continuous integration of cutting-edge advancements in the field. For example, it incorporates ELIGen, a novel framework for precise entity-level controlled text-to-image generation, which can be integrated with models like IP Adapter and in-context LoRa. It also focuses on optimizing performance, such as advanced VRAM management for Huan Video, enabling high-resolution video generation even with limited resources. DiffSynth Studio also stands out for its support for various ControlNet models, which can be freely combined to enable powerful controllable image generation. The project provides tools for both image and video synthesis, including features like text-to-video, video editing, self-upscaling, and video interpolation. Moreover, it offers an interesting painter tool that supports all text-to-image models, allowing users to create stunning images with AI assistance. Whether you're interested in generating high-resolution images, creating and editing videos, or exploring the latest advancements in diffusion models, DiffSynth Studio provides a comprehensive and user-friendly platform to unleash your creativity. Project number 2, Magma, a foundation model for multimodal AI agents. Magma is a groundbreaking foundation model designed for multimodal AI agents, setting itself apart by its ability to handle complex interactions in both digital and physical environments. As a multimodal agentic model, Magma distinguishes itself by possessing strong capabilities to perceive the multimodal grounding world and take goal-driven actions precisely. This model is uniquely designed to understand images and videos, ground actions based on observations, and translate external goals into actionable plans. One of Magma's key strengths lies in its versatility. It is not limited to excelling in digital tasks like web navigation or physical tasks like robotics manipulation. Instead, it operates effectively across both realms, much like humans do. This is achieved through a scalable pre-training strategy, which involves learning from unlabeled videos found in the wild, alongside existing agentic data. This approach enhances its generalization ability, making it suitable for real-world applications. Magma's architecture supports verbal and spatial temporal intelligence, enabling it to understand images and videos, ground actions on observations, and translate external goals into executable plans. The model uses a universal pre-training framework that unifies the training of text, image, and action modalities. This is crucial for the model to learn cross-modal connections, using techniques like set-of-mark and trace-of-mark as auxiliary tasks to align different output modalities. Magma has demonstrated state-of-the-art performance across various multimodal tasks, such as UI navigation, robotics manipulation, and general image and video understanding, with a particular emphasis on spatial understanding and reasoning. It also supports functionalities like image/video condition text generation and visual planning. It is designed for research purposes, aimed at knowledge sharing and accelerating research in multimodal AI, especially in multimodal agentic AI. Project number 3, PySpur, an AI agent builder in Python. PySpur is an AI agent builder in Python that focuses on simplifying the development of reliable AI agents through enhanced testing and debugging capabilities. What makes PySpur particularly unique is its ability to allow users to set up test cases, execute them step by step, and visually inspect each run. This is complemented by the automatic availability of execution traces once an agent is deployed to production, ensuring continuous monitoring and improvement. Among its core features are human-in-the-loop workflows, which enable persistent workflows that pause and await human approval, providing essential oversight for quality assurance. Loops facilitate iterative tool calling with memory, enhancing the agent's ability to learn and adapt. PySpur also supports file uploads for processing documents and uses a UI editor for JSON schemas to manage structured outputs efficiently. It has RAG capabilities, which includes parsing, chunking, embedding, and upserting data into a vector DB. Its multimodal support extends to various data types, including video, images, audio, texts, and code, broadening the scope of applications. PySpur also provides access to a suite of tools, including Slack, Firecrawl.dev, Google Sheets, and GitHub, enhancing its utility in diverse operational environments. The platform facilitates the evaluation of agents on real-world datasets and offers one-click deployment to publish agents as APIs. Built on Python, PySpur allows the addition of new nodes through simple Python files and ensures any vendor support for over 100 LLM providers, embedders, and vector DBs, providing flexibility and avoiding vendor lock-in. These features collectively streamline the AI agent development process, making it easier to construct, test, and deploy dependable AI agents. Project number 4: AI Toolkit by Ostris, a comprehensive suite for AI training and Stable Diffusion. The AI Toolkit by Ostris is a collection of various AI scripts primarily focused on Stable Diffusion. This toolkit distinguishes itself by offering a range of features and capabilities tailored for AI enthusiasts and developers. One of the key aspects that makes this toolkit unique is its focus on training. It provides tools and scripts for training models, particularly with Flux.1, and offers support for both Flux.1 Dev and Flux.1 Schnell. Flux.1 Dev has a non-commercial license, while Flux.1 Schnell is Apache 2.0 licensed, providing users with flexibility in how they license their trained models. The toolkit also supports training-specific layers using LoRa, low-rank adaptation, and LoKR, allowing for more control over the training process. The AI toolkit includes a web UI that allows users to easily start, stop, and monitor jobs, as well as train models. The UI, while still in early beta, provides a user-friendly way to interact with the toolkit's functionalities. The toolkit also supports training in various environments, including RunPod and Modal, providing users with options for leveraging cloud resources. Detailed instructions are provided for setting up and running training jobs in these environments. Furthermore, the toolkit provides guidance on dataset preparation, including how to format images and text files for training. It also offers features such as automatic image resizing and handling of varying aspect ratios, simplifying the dataset preparation process. To install AI Toolkit, you need Python greater than 3.10, NVIDIA GPU, Python Venv, and Git. Installation steps are provided for both Linux and Windows. Project number 5: GenAI Agents, a comprehensive guide to building intelligent AI systems. The GenAI Agents repository stands out as a comprehensive resource for anyone looking to delve into the world of intelligent, interactive AI systems. What makes this project unique is its vast collection of tutorials and implementations for generative AI, GenAI, agents, catering to a wide range of skill levels from beginner to advanced. For newcomers, the repository offers beginner-friendly agents like simple conversational, question answering, and data analysis agents. These implementations often integrate tools like LangChain and Pydantic AI, providing a hands-on introduction to building context-aware and AI-powered tools. More experienced users can explore advanced agents such as Atlas, an academic support system, and a scientific paper agent that assists in navigating and analyzing scientific literature. The repository also features business-oriented agents for customer support, essay grading, and travel planning, often leveraging LangGraph for managing intricate workflows. Furthermore, the GenAI Agents repository includes creative agents for generating GIFs, poems, and music, as well as analysis and information processing agents like memory-enhanced conversational agents and multi-agent collaboration systems. The repository also offers agents focused on news and information, such as news summarization systems and AI or ML weekly news reporters. The project fosters a community-driven environment, encouraging users to contribute their own agent creations and improvements. With regular updates and a wide array of implementations, the GenAI Agents repository serves as a valuable hub for learning, experimenting, and innovating in the rapidly evolving field of GenAI agents. To get started, simply clone the repository and follow the detailed implementation guides. Project number 6, Ladybird, a truly independent web browser. Ladybird is a unique web browser distinguished by its independent design and novel engine built on web standards. Currently in pre-alpha, it's tailored for developer use. What sets Ladybird apart is its commitment to building a complete, usable browser for the modern web entirely from scratch. Ladybird employs a multi-process architecture. This includes a main UI process, multiple web content renderer processes, an image decoder process, and a request server process. This design enhances robustness against malicious content by isolating image decoding and network connections. Each tab operates within its own sandboxed renderer process, further protecting the system. A significant aspect of Ladybird's uniqueness lies in its core library support components inherited from Serenity OS. libweb, responsible for web rendering. libjs, powers the JavaScript engine. libwasm, implements WebAssembly. libcrypto/libTLS, provides cryptography and transport layer security. libHTTP, manages HTTP/1.1 client functionalities. libGFX, handles 2D graphics, image decoding, and rendering. libunicode, offers Unicode and locale support. libmedia, enables audio and video playback. libcore, provides an event loop and OS abstraction layer. libIPC, facilitates interprocess communication. Ladybird runs on Linux, Mac OS, Windows, using WSL2, and other Unix-like systems. Licensed under a 2-clause BSD license, Ladybird welcomes contributions, with guidelines available in the contributing.md file. The project has a large community of contributors and is continuously being developed. Project number 7, N8N. The workflow automation platform with a fair code edge. N8N is a workflow automation platform designed to provide technical teams with both the adaptability of code and the efficiency of a no-code interface. What sets N8N apart is its dedication to delivering a platform that not only offers powerful automation features but also ensures users retain complete control over their data and deployments. With over 400 integrations, N8N empowers users to construct resilient automations while maintaining full ownership. One of N8N's distinctive features is its AI-native platform, facilitating the development of AI agent workflows based on LangChain, leveraging custom data and models. This enables the creation of sophisticated, intelligent automations tailored to specific requirements. Unlike many platforms, N8N provides the flexibility to write JavaScript or Python code, incorporate NPM packages, or utilize the visual interface, offering a versatile approach to automation. N8N distinguishes itself through its fair code license, offering both a sustainable use license and an enterprise license. This means the source code is always visible and the platform is self-hostable, allowing deployment anywhere. Furthermore, the platform is extensible, supporting the addition of custom nodes and functionalities. N8N can be rapidly initiated with NPX or deployed with Docker, ensuring high accessibility. The platform seamlessly integrates with a wide array of tools and services, demonstrated by its 400+ integrations and a repository of over 900 ready-to-use templates. Project number 8, Page Assist, your local AI model's web companion. Page Assist is a browser extension that stands out by bringing the power of locally run AI models directly into your web browsing experience. What makes Page Assist unique is its ability to let you interact with your AI model from any web page, offering a seamless way to integrate AI into your daily online tasks. It's designed to work with Chromium-based browsers like Chrome, Brave, and Edge, as well as Firefox. One of the key features is the sidebar, which can be opened on any web page, allowing you to interact with your model and view the results in real time. Additionally, the web UI provides a ChatGPT-like website interface for interacting with your model. A particularly useful feature is the ability to chat with web pages, enabling you to ask questions about the content you're viewing. To get started with Page Assist, you'll need to have Bun and Allama, or another OpenAI API-compatible endpoint like LM Studio or Llama file, installed. The installation process involves cloning the repository, installing dependencies, and building the extension for your browser. Page Assist supports several browsers, offering a consistent experience across Chrome, Brave, Firefox, Vivaldi, Edge, LibreWolf, and Zen browser. While Opera and Arc have limited support with only Web UI. Once installed, you can access the sidebar via a context menu or a keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+Shift+Y, and the Web UI by clicking the extension icon or using the Ctrl+Shift+L shortcut. Project number 9, Money Printer v2. Automating online income generation. Money Printer v2, MPv2, is a one-of-a-kind application engineered to automate various processes for making money online. This tool stands out due to its all-encompassing suite of features and a modular design, representing a complete overhaul of the original money printer project. What makes MPV2 particularly unique is its integration of diverse functionalities such as a Twitter bot, YouTube Shorts automation, affiliate marketing, and local business outreach, consolidated into a single, streamlined platform. MPV2's distinctive features include a Twitter bot equipped with CRON jobs for scheduled posting, and a YouTube Shorts automator, also utilizing CRON jobs for efficient content delivery. The platform also facilitates affiliate marketing on Amazon and Twitter, and helps users find local businesses and automate cold outreach. To utilize MPV2, Python 3.9 is required. Users can begin by cloning the repository, then copying the example configuration file, and finally, setting up a virtual environment. For simplified use, the project includes scripts that allow direct access to core functions without the need for user interaction. MPV2 operates under the Afro General Public License version 3.0 and is intended solely for educational purposes. The author disclaims responsibility for any misuse of the provided information. The project gives credit to CookieTTS and GPT for free. For those interested in a hosted version, there is a waitlist for SureAI, an AI tool that combines all other AI tools into one. Project number 10 verl, Volcano Engine Reinforcement Learning for LLMs. verl is a unique and powerful reinforcement learning (RL) training library specifically designed for large language models, LLMs. What sets verl apart is its flexibility, efficiency, and production-ready design, making it an ideal solution for training LLMs. It is also the open-source version of Hybrid Flow, a flexible and efficient RLHF framework paper. With verl, users can build RL data flows in just a few lines of code thanks to its hybrid programming model, which combines the strengths of single-controller and multi-controller paradigms. One of verl's key features is its seamless integration with existing LLM infrastructure. It decouples computation and data dependencies, allowing it to work with popular frameworks like PyTorch FSDP, Megatron LM, and VLLM. This means you can easily incorporate verl into your current workflow without significant modifications. Moreover, verl supports flexible device mapping, enabling efficient resource utilization and scalability across different GPU cluster sizes. By seamlessly integrating existing SOTA LLM training and inference frameworks, verl achieves high generation and training throughput. verl also stands out due to its efficient actor model resharding with 3D hybrid engine, which eliminates memory redundancy and reduces communication overhead during transitions between training and generation phases. It supports various RL algorithms, including PPO, GRPO, Remax, and others. Additionally, verl is compatible with Hugging Face transformers and ModelScope Hub. It supports supervised fine-tuning, model-based and function-based rewards, vision language models, and multimodal RL. And that wraps up our deep dive into this week's top trending open-source GitHub projects. We hope you found these tools as fascinating as we did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which project you're most excited to try out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.